Today is a closet cleanup day. It's Friday. It's Good Friday. Happy Good Friday. I'm just trying to go through these things and reorganize my closet because there's a lot of things that I don't wear or don't need. And I bought all these new spring shoes. And how can I fit it in here if I have all this mess? So I started doing it before picking up the camera, but let me just show you guys what I have done so far. Okay, so let's start from up here. The very first thing I did, I went to my winter boots, and those are still new. I haven't really worn it a lot. Then I have, went to my accessories, beach hats, all my sunglasses. I actually had like three shelves of sunglasses, and I just went through them and I put them here on this little. I was cracking up because I felt like, so apparently I have a style, dark and brownish gold. So I have a couple more glasses that can't fit in there. Whew, but I just kept them up there. And then I went through my purses and wallets that I was not using. I took them out. Then I just went through these. These are the ones that I'm not using over here. Now I gotta go through here and make room before we even get over here. So this is just what the before looks like. And I'm sad to show you guys this, but I have to. This is junky. So just see, we're gonna figure out how we're gonna take some things that I just don't wear, like that doesn't fit. Look at this, it had like 1 or 2 purses on it. Now it's like, so I still have shoes in this bag from a try on haul that I did downstairs. So I really got to make room over here. So just giving you guys a little before. There's a lot of things that's going to be coming out of here. Look at this purse. Since I did the what's in my bag, I have not put it back in the box. It's terrible. So that's it. And I don't even know if I ever wore this, or will I even ever wear it. Probably not. Why am I hoarding it? Okay, these are some of the ones that I'm getting rid of right here. Like, my heart is still telling me to keep this, but you know how that goes. Should I keep it? Let me know if I should keep this. Got one box here. How cute are these? Ooh, haven't worn it yet, but they're so cute. So cute. Oh, this is a yes to get rid of these, but I just love the colors. Maybe I need to find another shoe that's colorful. It's time. One time. But I still like them. I like leopard print. So, snatch. Better snatch that waist and that back. This is how it should have been today. Waist training and work. My husband wants me to be a sneakerhead so bad, but I'm really not. I'm getting into it now. He made me, get into it. But these I got for Christmas, and I haven't worn them yet. But it's so cute. Like, sneakers like this, I will wear. So, like, he's always trying to buy me. I'm a heels and flats, as you can see. So I have a lot of black shoes. So the black shoe starts up there, come down, all these black shoes come down to white, some colors. These boxes just have to stay because of my boots, but I did good, y'all. I got rid of at least 10 pairs of shoes, so that's a good start. I put them here. Try to organize this area. Of course, y'all saw the first area I did. Got the sunglasses. Got me. Got the other shoes and stuff. Like, it's just so much better. It was really a hot mess. If you can remember from the beginning of the video, I didn't take a picture. I should have did that, but there you go. So these are all the things I got rid of from my closet. Shoes, bags, everything, clothes, a lot. And it's so therapeutic. Like, if you haven't done that in a long time, I think you should do it. And spring cleaning is literally the perfect time to do it. So if you haven't done so, I think you should. And if you haven't subscribed, girl, what you waiting for? Go ahead. I told y'all that I clean up good. It's like no. So I'm all ready now for my niece's 316. Let me I just have this bodysuit that I got from Zara, and then I have this wide leg pants. Let me show you guys in a mirror. But we're literally the shoes I was showing y'all. I'm just gonna put a blazer on top of it. Get back. All the cousins say hi. Hi. Oh, period. They're hot gals. The little cousins. Y'all say hi. The gang. It's the gang for me. My sister. His mom. Yep. Woo! What's up, guys? It's officially Easter Sunday. Happy Easter to you and yours. From my family. Say happy Easter.
Happy Easter, you guys.
Happy Easter, you guys.
Oh, say it right here.
Happy Easter, guys.
What did you get? What did you get? Easter basket? Ooh.
My lips are blue from my ice cream.
Oh, his lips are blue from his ice cream. Okay. Today we went to church. And now we made some food, and now we're about to go in the backyard and eat as a family and just relax and chill. So I'm gonna vlog with y'all a little bit. So say hi to my mama. Happy now. Let me show you what we're doing in the backyard. Okay.
Wake up!
So we got some rice over here. If you know, you know. Some good fried rice. Over here we have this right here. It has chicken, fish. Okay. Got some plain rice for the kids.
Where?
And I made some pasta for them. So
It's salmon fish. It's all wrapped up.
you already.
Chicken. It's stuffed chicken.
Hey guys.
Hey. So
Hey, happy Easter.
say happy Easter. Gabby, say happy Easter.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Gabby's hungry. Gabby's hungry. She don't want to talk right now. But we're getting ready to sit down. It's the glow for me.
Star.
Happy Easter. What you got there?
Candy.
Ooh, you got a lot of candies in your Easter basket.
Me too.
And look at your lips.
My boo.
Okay.
All right, everybody, let's. Yes, say hi to the vlog. Say hi.
What's up?
Say happy Easter.
Happy Easter, everybody.
You too, bye.
All right, come eat. Everybody, let's eat.
Let's eat.
So we're still chilling in the backyard. Hey, babe.
What up?
Wrong.
Hey, Jenna.
Go ahead. Put it back.
that infamous wave. Check out all the videos. You see. Jenna's gonna do that wave. One thing about Jenna, she gonna wave.
No, you didn't.
I don't want to do it.
And Grandma's over there playing with her grandkids. Let me zoom y'all in. Hi, Grandma and her grandkids. Mom.
Oh, they're eating the rest of her, baby.
Baby, I see your halo.
Milan.
Pray it won't fade away.
Can't get past the taste of your lips. Don't wanna let you out my head.
Speaking on gas cheese, I dropped out of school. I'm still getting hot. So they don't test me.
Yes,
I put you in front of you see. Right, they try to go say they got versions of the dog, but I know he be acting a lot. I know some who say they got it, to the city, but they lacking a lot. Yeah. Think myself be using his head. Every day I don't give a lot of me. That's a suicide. You play with us, got a better chance at the lottery. Call an ambulance. Did I get it? That me. I jump out of school. I'm still getting high. You test me.
So guys, it's so cold outside, but we're still here doing karaoke right now. Watch.
Copyright. You got it. We over here like the love and hip hop people were like.
Yeah, we in a don't make
Ready?
no song.
New studio up, backyard, kids about to get it. You know what I mean? Let's go.
We'll be in here.
Who's in there, Minnie? All right, Minnie, drop it. What's up, guys? It's been a couple of days since I picked up the camera to vlog. Anyways, just doing my usual today, but we're gonna do a little cook with me because I'm trying to make two different things right now. So basically, I got this box from HelloFresh, and I just thought that, okay, pay a little shipping fee, they give you 3 meals. So I selected meals for 2 because it's a long story with my children. Anyways, I figured just me and my husband for now. Anyways, so I tested it out, and so far so good. I like the convenience of it because you can literally just grab the box, grab the paper bag, take everything in it, cook, chop chop. And for busy moms, definitely. But what I didn't like is the fact that the first box I selected, however, they just kept sending me boxes without asking me. So I'm on my third box, but I finally canceled. We ain't about to do this. I go grocery shopping all the time. I bring food home that I want to cook for the week. So I just felt like this is kind of convenient, but they went overboard with it. First of all, contact me first and let me know. Anyways, be careful. So that's enough with the HelloFresh rent. I'm renting it by HelloFresh, but I'm making one of the meals today for my husband and myself. So, and then I'm making tacos for the kids. For this kid.
For me too.
And that kid.
Hey.
And the other one's upstairs. Anyways, let me show you. My kitchen is messy. I have things everywhere. But y'all don't judge me. Do y'all judge me? Anyways, so this is what I'm making today. It's a buffalo spice crispy chicken with monterey jack, mashed potatoes, buttery green beans, and honey drizzle. Listen, if you know me, you know that I love mashed potatoes. I love carbs. Whatever. So I have the potatoes in here boiling right now. I started the ground beef, not HelloFresh, multitasking. The ground beef for the tacos. So now I'm excited about that mashed potatoes. I'm not really sure about this chicken, but like I said, HelloFresh works if you can cook. So see, me, I'm a chef, so it works. But even if you're not, I feel like you could definitely follow each step and make a meal. Okay? You like going to the dentist, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's in your hat?
Some socks.
So you're collecting all your socks and Josiah's socks.
I just use it.
And what else is in there?
Every socks I like. I think I like popcorn.
We're about to make dinner. It's not time to eat popcorn.
Can
Can we make it later tonight?
I want my teeth are hurting.
Yeah, from popcorn.
What?
You're the cutest. Yes, you are.
Yeah.
Yes, you are. So we're still. I had to put the.
Look at this. Look how this looks like snow. Ready to put this snow in.
Okay, so in this bowl we need 1 tablespoon of butter.
Mama, put the butter in.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
It smells good, Mom.
the butter smells good. The butter melted. Yay! Melted butter. Ooh.
The butter melted.
The butter melted. Let me put you down so y'all can really see what we're doing here.
Look at that butter melt.
Okay, now we're gonna put this.
Mama, I
in.
want to put it in.
Okay, can mommy open it for you?
Okay. You want ice cream? You want ice cream? I'm gonna get the ice cream.
All right, put it in. Into the whole thing in there.
Ice cream.
Okay, here's your spoon. And I'm gonna cut this. Do I have to mix that? I got a feeling this chicken's gonna be good. Please be careful, guys.
Go get it.
Put half of that in.
Me. One comes on the floor. Me, Macy.
And then the rest on the chicken. On the chicken. I like spicy stuff. So I think this is gonna be good. Okay, girl. So I have my green beans right here and my chicken. Now I'm going to take that mixture and put it on top of it. So into the oven this goes. Woo. Yeah, I just drizzled some olive oil and salt and pepper on here. And then I have my mashed potatoes. I just already boiled it. Here's the mashed potatoes. My mom watched my last cooking video and she saw me using the wooden spoon to smash it. So she got me this. Okay? So I don't gotta be ghetto no more. But what if I want to? I like that. Potatoes. Done. Time for some shrimp. About me, I'm gonna have seafood. One thing about me, I'm gonna make a good shrimp and fish meal all day long. Pretty girl, pretty girl. Baby. Green beans are struggling. So good.
The food ain't done yet? The food ain't done yet? No.
Can you?
So yeah, kill the people. Mom, why are you showing?
Okay. So here is the dinner. And the rest of the gang get ready to eat their tacos.
Come on.
So, okay.
Yeah.